Hey squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool umbrella here, and basically what this is a cordless water flosser. And you see for the one that we got right here from this brand, and for this one in particular they call it the Water Flosser Cordless Advanced. And at the bottom they do provide some specs and feature about the product. And when you guys turn on the side right here, they do provide some specs and feature about the product. So they do mention how it's waterproof, it's super quiet, you guys can use it while you're showering. It has a magnetic charging system. And they mention how it's actually very easy for you to use it in terms of filling the water inside, which I'll show you guys in a second. And at the bottom they do show you guys what kind of tips is actually included. So like I mentioned, there's 4 different tips. There's 2 of these, 1 of this one, and 1 of this one. And for us out here, they provide us some more information about the product. So first let's open this up to show you guys what the inside looks like. So once you guys open it up, this is what the inside looks like. So there is a lot of stuff inside, but let's take it all out. So first the inside, they do provide a little bag that you can use to store the product inside. So let's do open up. This is basically what the bag looks like. Next up right here, they provide guys the charger that you can use to charge the product. And they also provide guys information to teach you guys how to charge it. If you guys do pull it out, right here they do provide the flosser. And there is one more thing inside. So the last thing inside is basically the case that you can use to store the tips inside to keep it all organized. So let's open it up. Once you guys do take out the wrapper, this is what the case looks like. So let's do open it up. This is what the inside looks like. So I'll show you guys how to put the tips inside in a second. Let's show you guys everything inside right here first. So same thing for this bag, you can see it's all nicely sealed up. So that way you guys know it's brand new. But when you guys do open it, inside the bag they do provide another bag with all different tips inside. So let's do open up. Here are all the different tips inside. So this one's like a water plug that you can use when you guys are traveling. And then right here we do have a different tip. So here's one of them. Here we have a second one. And then here we do have the last and final one. And this is the one that they provide you guys 2 of them. So let's do put it inside a case. Just go like this. And put this inside as well, and close it back up, and it's all set for the actual case. And then last but not least, we do have the actual powder right here. So on the bottom right here, we do have the brand name, and they do mention how it's the water flosser. Top part right here, we do have the button for you to turn it on. Underneath the power button, we do have the mode button for you to change different mode. So they're low, medium, and high. And right here, we do have the indicator light to show you guys when it's charging or not. Top part right here is basically where you insert each one, the head or the tip. And I'm assuming when you guys do use it, you do have the option to turn this part right here to rotate it or something. Back part, we do have the button for you guys to release it. And if you guys notice for the back part right here, they do give you guys a very good grip. So that way when you guys do use it, it actually feels pretty nice. And then for the bottom part right here is the water reservoir that can add the water inside. So the way how you add the water inside, you guys open up this part right here and then fill it up like that. Or if you guys want to, you do have the option to pull it out. Right now we can't pull it out because it is locked. The way how you guys unlock it is in the bottom. So once you guys unlock it like that, if you guys pull it out, it does work. So this part right here is ready to suck the water up, and this is what the inside looks like. So if you guys want to take it out like this to fill up the water, feel free to do so. But once you guys do fill the water inside, you guys can close it back up, just like that. So that is basically everything that's on the product. Before I actually test this out, let me actually show you guys how to charge it first. So I want to take out the cover right here first. Once you guys take it out, you guys can plug in the cable. Once you guys do plug in the cable, you guys can start charging it. And where you guys want to put this is right here. So you can see how once you guys put it right there, it starts charging. So that is basically how you guys know when it's charging. I'm assuming once it's fully charged, the light will stay on or change a different color. So that is how you guys charge the product. If you guys try to turn it on while charging, it won't work. But once you guys unplug it, if you guys try to turn it on, it does work. If you guys want to change different setting, very easy and very simple for you to use it. If it's in here, when you guys do use it, it is slightly loud, which is totally normal because it is using water pressure to actually help you guys floss your teeth. So definitely really cool, awesome product. You can see how it's actually very portable, and the fact that it doesn't use any cables to actually plug it in to recharge it. It allows the product to be fully waterproof. But now I'm going to want a tip to show you guys what it looks like, and then we'll test it out. So I'll use a tip that we have 2 of them. If you guys put it inside this, that basically locks it in. Like I mentioned, if you guys want to unlock it, you guys are pushing this button. And that basically unlocks it. If you guys put it back in again, that locks it in. And like I mentioned for the top right here, if you guys do twist it, that basically allows you guys to turn it 360 if you guys do want to. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now I'm just going to test it out to show you guys how it works and when it actually works. And then we'll come back and talk more product in a second. Alright, so right here we do have the product. So what I'm going to do is open up the back part right here and fill the water inside. So that should be enough. Close it back up. So even if you guys put a little bit of water on here, it should be fine since the way how the design is waterproof. But now let's turn it on and space on the water onto the sink first to make sure everything is clean. And we'll probably want to rinse this part right here as well. Alright, so that should be good. So let's do turn it on. And you see how well the product works when you guys do use it. So when you guys do turn it on high, it definitely uses a high pressure on here to help you guys clean your teeth and anything in between. If you see how it does spray the water all around. So I'm assuming each time you guys use it, that is basically what it meant in terms of 45 seconds. So I'm gonna run it a few more times before I put it onto my teeth. Alright, so that should be good. Now let's try it on yourself to see how it works. So when you guys do use the product, you do want to make sure you guys close your mouth. So just like this. And just by using it a little bit, I can definitely feel the water pressure on my gum and everything. So if you guys are not used to it, you definitely want to take your time to get used to it first. And don't turn it on high. Start with low and work your way up. But even just by using for a few seconds just now, I can definitely feel that it does work to clean anything in between my teeth. But that is basically how you guys use the product. You can see very easy and very simple. Welcome back, guys. So now I saw a quick test of the product and definitely says she does work and she works quite well. And you see how when we do fill the water inside, it's actually very easy and very simple. All you guys need to do is open that little lid or cap and just fill the water inside. And once you guys do fill it up, you can close back up and start using it immediately. And obviously, if it's your first time using the product, you do want to run it first and let the water spray into your sink before you guys do put it in your mouth to make sure everything is clean. But you see when you guys do use the product, it definitely does work and actually works pretty well. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to unboxing and testing product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these. Especially if you guys in the market looking for a high quality cordless portable water flosser that you can use to floss your teeth. That's basically waterproof that also allow you guys to use it in the shower or anywhere else. Then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.